Okay guys, so I'm going to be picking some of the blackberries, and once you see that part turn brown, you want to pick them. So I'm super excited, and I can't tell you guys just how rewarding it feels to grow something, cater to it, you know, water it, fertilize it, watch it grow, and then just, you know, be able to harvest from it. So it's really a good feeling, and it's really has taught my kids a lot, just about nature, and gardening and stuff like that, and how to be patient, and just how to care for things, and just be more, you know, thankful and appreciative, you know, of food. I also wanted to show you the ones that are not ready to be picked. So they're just waiting for them to turn. And then also, as I'm picking these, I'm gonna, maybe not today, but maybe tomorrow, just kind of start pruning the dead leaves, just getting the dead leaves off. And so the ones that look like this, that are kind of dead and may have things crawling in them, what I'd like to do is just put them back in the soil, and hopefully the seeds, you know, just generate in the soil, and possibly you can get new growth like that. I've learned too a lot of the Native American culture, so they don't harvest everything, and a lot of the things they just use, you know, as seeds. So I'll give you an example of like the strawberries that didn't really do well, and so I just put it back in the soil. Or